on the NASDAQ, yeah, you'll see where the capper price was, and you'll see exactly what we were talking about in terms of the trade itself. The capper was at 60, did I say 63 quarters? Pretty sure I said 63 quarters, 63 half. You'll see the price went clean through 63 half, and obviously at that stage you can see exactly what happened. I'll just take a screenshot and I'll bring it across so that you can see how the trade evolved here, you know, for the NASDAQ. Now, obviously we're on a start that one again. Max is on accumulation mode here, right? So does everybody see how this trade evolved? So there's the accumulation started. See this group of big volume? That's the accumulation taking place in the background. Now, the one thing about you guys is that, you know, you don't know where that's going to stop, because it could stop anywhere, but obviously, you know, physically you can see it slowing down. And then we've obviously got the capper price, which is this 63.5. That's the price we tweeted. So obviously when the price trades at that level, we can obviously recognize that it's already busted this bracket high up here. And we're obviously going to be hoping that we get a pullback, which would have been a perfect opportunity to start doing a max buy trade in here, and indeed in here. That would have been the traditional max buy trade. As it transpires, the price actually didn't pull back. It pulled away from this. And then because of that, we had to then step into the markets here for the long trade. And sure enough, we just made all the way through to target price, ultimately for a very, very nice, easy money trade. And that's where the deal came from. That's the process behind that max long trade. And it's a good one. It's a good one. Same price as the last time, guys. Same location as the previous max long trade. So you kind of get the idea that Max, when he buys a level, he's generally in that level, and he sticks around with that level until the level is busted. And that's how Max rolls, basically. That's how Max gets the money in the bank account. That was a very, very fast max short trade there, guys. I never even had a chance to talk about it, but there was a very quick max short trade that's just made target price straight away there. So it didn't have any pullback either. So the pullback trade is the one we want to try and get you guys involved in. So that trade's already hit target. So that trade's finished from a momentum point of view. All right, where are we today? What are we looking for? Not very much happening in bonds at the moment. The pound still screaming up to 39 maximum price. 39 maximum price, guys. 38's at the bottom edge, 39's at the top edge. Take some monies if you're still with me on the long trade. Take some money, 100 pips, guys. 100 pips from last night's tweet, which is pretty good. Did anybody sell on the pullback of the max level, guys? Anybody sell the low volume pullback into the max level? We said if max level sets up, you just watch for it again. The max level did set up. It's pulled back into the max level at 91.5, and it's dropped back straight back out again there to a low price of 82s. Nearly a 10-point move on the max short, and that was a nice little trade for anybody on the pullback. We finally cleared the 4207s on the S&P, guys. 4207s finally cleared. But where did we get to? Where did we get to? 4202s. That level, remember, is on your charts already. I'm sure you've already got it, guys. Yes, yes, absolutely. 4202s is a price you should already know about from your charts. There was the bracket high on the S&P was up at 4202s. You already had that information, which we repeated to you guys this morning. So you should already know about the 4202 level on your S&P charts, yes? Who's not awake? Who's still in the cloud Z land? Who's not paying attention? to the key price brackets. Quite weak rotations at the moment at the top edge on the S&P as well. That Nasdaq came back up again, guys, third time into the level. So that's another good sell-off. If anybody sold the 92s on the Qs, that's another good sell-off, guys, all the way back down to 84s, 83s, 82s, 81s now traded. 10 more points off the same level for the third time now on the Nasdaq. Who's in it? Who's winning it? Who's still sleeping? Who's not doing any business? And what the hell's wrong with you? You'll see that that level that we've talked about is now developing beautiful bits of business to the downside here. Selling off at once, selling off at twice, selling off at 3 times, and just a huge wad of cash already made from that big max level that we shouted not that long ago. I told you it was a momentum level. We never got the pullback. Well, we did get the pullback eventually, twice, and we've had 2 easy money sell away from that price already, guys. Beautiful. Weakness on the rotations should be getting you activity level red at the top edge, massive activity levels at the top edge to get you short with this big divergence creeping into the rotational business here at the moment. Very, very, very exciting stuff off the high price just now, guys. Beautiful. Looking at the specs this morning, well, nothing much from them at the moment, so not really getting any read particularly exciting off the specs for the time being. So quite happy just to be watching for any other business. Into the internals, no internal strength at the high price, giving us a very strong suggestion about short top edges off the 2s, a price that you already knew about because we tweeted it. Look, you already knew about this price, guys, so there's not a single excuse you can use. You're just a miserable so-and-so if you never took a deal. Not an excuse anywhere on the planet that you can hide behind on that one, guys.